Hello, I'm attorney Randolph Rice, a Maryland DUI defense attorney. Today we're going to talk about the basics of DUI in Maryland. Now, DUI stands for driving under the influence, and it's typically charged under the 21902A section of the Transportation Code. The maximum penalty for a DUI is 1 year in jail or $1,000 fine, and that can vary depending on your record or if you have a minor in the car at the time, which means the maximum penalties can increase. There's two parts to every DUI. The first part is the MVA consequences or the administrative consequences. What will happen to your license and your privilege to drive? The second part is the criminal court. What will happen to your freedom and probation and fines and things of that nature? Now, the first part, the MVA consequences, depends on what you do when you're stopped and after you're stopped. For example, did you take the test? Did you not take the test? If you took the breath test or a blood test, what were the results of that blood test or breath test? Were you under a .08? Were you between a .08 and under a .15? Or were you more than .15? And those different scenarios provide different options for you. Make sure you contact a lawyer because you may have to request an MVA hearing, or you may have to send in special paperwork to the Office of Administrative Hearing, and you want to make sure a lawyer explains your options to you so you can make the best decision. The second aspect of it is what happens when you go to court. You'll start off in the district court before a district court judge in whatever county you're charged in. And your lawyer will talk to the state's attorney, make a determination with you as to the best option to proceed. Do you want to work out a deal with the state's attorney's office where you get some sort of leniency by pleading not guilty or guilty? Or do you want to try the case before a judge in the district court? If you choose to not try the case before a district court judge, you have the option of trying it before a jury, meaning you can ask for a pre-jury trial. The case gets transferred to the circuit court, and then you have the option of trying the case before 12 people selected from the motor and voter rolls of that county to hear the facts of the case and make a determination beyond a reasonable doubt as to your guilt or innocence. If you're charged with DUI in Maryland, and I know you have a lot of different questions about it, give me a call at my office 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to schedule a free consultation and discuss your options after a DUI arrest in Maryland.